Hey everybody, Somewhat Girly here with another unboxing of Stickii Club. This time this is the pop pack. All the details for this is going to be down in the description below, so that way I'm not talking too much. But remember, I am visually impaired. I use various implements such as reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details. But if I miss anything, or if you see something I don't, or you just want to argue in the comments, go ahead. It's fine. All right. Now that's over. Here's the front of our sticker organizer, and we're going to pull out our theme sticker and zoom in so I can see it. There it is for you first, and then too close? Not close enough? Come on. There we go. That's a little better. The Hidden World. Wonder what that means. Hidden World. Those are frogs. That's just a bunny. A fox. What does that mean? What do you think it means? All right. Now we're going to the flap. See what additional item we got. And it is a clear stamp. It comes in 2 pieces of plastic. Remember to keep the loose piece to protect it wherever you put it. And we're just looking at a simple butterfly or a moth here. Oh, that is very pretty. I'm going to look at it from the back side. Usually it's a little better for me. Wow. This is our notepad, which this pocket doesn't always have a notepad in it, but lately it has been. So we're just going to give that a quick open. That was for you ASMR folks. Anyway, usually these have about a dozen sheets. Not wrong. Let's give it a zoom in so I can see what's going on here. It looks like it's so far everything is like black and white. Did you notice? There's no color yet. Well, except for the background of the actual notepad. What is this? A fox? A dancing fox? Are you dancing? Oh, dancing with another creature. Another fox, maybe? What are you? Maybe a cat. I'm going to say a cat. That's actually kind of cool. I like the way that's drawn. That's unusual. A good chunk of them are clear. And then we've got 3 of the solid backgrounds. So let's go ahead and take a peek at these. I'm going to zoom in so that I can see them. So there you go. A little bit closer. Okay. We've got some more, I'm going to say bugs. We got bugs. We got lots of bugs. Some moths. Some, please don't be a centipede on here. I don't like centipedes. I really don't. Okay, so the Hidden World. So maybe things that live in burrows and under things. There's the brand. All right, next solid colored one is sparkly. It matches the notepad because there's the sticker from that. Okay. Wow. Is that a snail? I love drawings of snails. I don't like actual snails. But oh, mushroom. If you see my cute pack video, you'll know why. I'm a little excited about that. This is strange. I like it. First of all, love the frogs. Not first of all the frogs. Fairies? Fairies are a hidden thing, right? There's the brand. Okay, next one. Okay, we've got, who knows? I am not 100% sure what I'm looking at. But yeah, burrows and stuff. Okay, so hidden under things. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. What is this? It's not an owl, not a cat, like just some kind of forest spirit, like in Princess Mononoke. Wow. These are interesting. I like that. This is the brand. I don't know why I'm whispering. I feel like I have to whisper. Like, they'll run away if I don't. Is that crazy? That's crazy, right? All right, I'm going to use the back of this to show you the clear stamp, the clear stickers. All right, these are numbered probably to go on the days of the week of the calendar. Any month that ends in, let's see here, what's the last number? 30 or 31? It's probably 31. You could use these in any month, honestly, because you don't have to use them all. But just know that there's 31 of them, and they are foiled. Love that. Love that. These are so interesting. They're smooth. Next set. Okay, that's a snake, right? Not a centipede. Yeah, it's a snake. Okay, I'm cool with snakes. Believe it or not. So snakes, they hide under rocks. That's what we're getting. But moths aren't really like, they don't really hide under things. Well, I guess they could. Oh, gold foiling. Gold foiling. I'm more partial to silver, but I respect the gold. These kind of remind me of tattoos. Like really nice vintage tattoos. Here's our brand. Okay, here's the next one. Ooh, gold foiling. Oh. Sugar skulls, maybe? Or just like the colors are, oh, look at that strawberry. Oh, that's cute. I'm partial to strawberries. They're not my favorite fruit, believe it or not. I really like apples and bananas. No, it's just the colors of, oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, not sugar skull colors, but like more tattoo colors. Here's our brand. Do we have more gold foiling? Oh, I am loving this set. Wow. Now these aren't real stamps. You can't use them on your letters when you get these in Stickii Club. Just remember that. The post office will not accept that, but you can use them to decorate. All right, and then our last item is a gift card. Gift placards where you can write to and from. That wasn't English. Okay, this matches that other set. I like that big leaf. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's a strawberry. This is cool. I like that. There's the brand. All right, I'm going to zoom us back out. All right, it looks like we got 8 again, which is a nice number. I love that. You know, for a total of $11, because there's $1 for shipping and stuff like that. This is a nice amount of stickers for that much money. And these were great stickers. I enjoyed these. I didn't know what I was getting into with the theme, but we figured it out, didn't we? Well, we didn't figure it out. We saw. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.